Google just launched the latest in the Gemini family of multimodal large language models, Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental.
Google just shocked the AI world with Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, a revolutionary model that's already being called the biggest challenge to OpenAI's dominance yet. Boasting multimodal capabilities, transparent reasoning, and lightning-fast performance, this could be the most advanced AI model we've ever seen. In this video, we'll uncover what makes Gemini 2.0 a potential game-changer, how it compares to OpenAI's o1, and why this development is a turning point for the entire industry. And that's not all. Stick around to discover the hidden limitations and what this rivalry could mean for the future of AI. Let's dive in. Let's set the stage. The rivalry between Google and OpenAI is nothing new. OpenAI's ChatGPT and its more advanced o1 family have been industry leaders, offering everything from real-time search integration to cutting-edge multimodal capabilities. Google, on the other hand, has been working quietly in the background until now. With the release of Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, Google has re-entered the arena in a major way. This isn't just another language model, it's a multimodal reasoning system designed to tackle some of the most complex tasks in AI. And here's where it gets interesting. Google claims this model isn't just smarter, but also more transparent and versatile. To keep things in perspective, OpenAI has enjoyed a significant edge, particularly with its integration capabilities and ecosystem support. But Gemini 2.0 might just be the disruption that levels the playing field. So what exactly is it that makes it special? Keep watching because the details will surprise you. First, let's break down what Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking is all about. This isn't your typical language model. At its core, it's a reasoning system designed to handle both text and image data. That's right, unlike OpenAI's o1, which started as a text-only model, Gemini 2.0 was built with multimodal capabilities from the start. The model's input capacity is staggering. It can process up to 32,000 tokens of input, roughly equivalent to 50 to 60 pages of text. To put that into perspective, it's ideal for handling large-scale documents, complex datasets, or even multimedia presentations. And its output? A maximum of 8,000 tokens per response, making it highly efficient for tasks requiring detailed answers. But here's where it really shines. Reasoning transparency. One of the biggest criticisms of AI systems like OpenAI's models has been their black box nature. Users don't always know how these systems arrive at their conclusions. Gemini 2.0 flips the script by offering a step-by-step reasoning feature. Users can access this through a drop-down menu, allowing them to see exactly how the model processes information. This isn't just a fancy add-on, it's a direct response to growing concerns about trust and accountability in AI. Imagine asking an AI to analyze complex data, and instead of just spitting out an answer, it shows you every step it took to get there. This is where Gemini 2.0 sets itself apart. Now, let's talk performance, because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Early tests have shown that Gemini 2.0 doesn't just match its competitors, it surpasses them in certain areas. For example, when asked to perform notoriously tricky tasks like counting the number of R's in the word strawberry, Gemini nailed it in under 3 seconds. Even more impressive was its ability to compare complex decimal numbers. Instead of rushing to a conclusion, the model systematically broke the problem into smaller steps, analyzing whole numbers, then decimal places, before delivering the correct answer. This kind of structured reasoning isn't just useful, it's essential for tasks requiring precision like coding, financial analysis, or academic research. And speaking of coding, Gemini 2.0 has proven itself highly capable in this domain as well. Whether it's debugging scripts or generating complex algorithms, the model consistently delivers accurate and efficient solutions. For developers, this could be a game changer. But it's not just about speed or accuracy. The model's ability to process images natively is a significant leap forward. In one test, Gemini solved a puzzle requiring the integration of text and visual data, seamlessly pulling insights from both formats. This positions it as a highly versatile tool capable of handling tasks that go beyond the limitations of text-only systems. Of course, no comparison would be complete without looking at OpenAI's o1 family. OpenAI has set a high bar with its models, offering features like real-time web search integration, app compatibility, and a well-established developer ecosystem. So, where does Gemini 2.0 stand in comparison? First, the native multimodal support gives Gemini a clear edge. While o1 eventually added image analysis, it wasn't designed with this capability from the start. Gemini's ability to process images and text simultaneously isn't just a feature, it's a fundamental part of its architecture. Then there's the matter of transparency. OpenAI's models have been criticized for their lack of visible reasoning. While they deliver impressive results, users often have to take the output at face value. Gemini 2.0 addresses this with its step-by-step reasoning, offering a level of clarity that OpenAI currently can't match. However, it's not all wins for Google. OpenAI's o1 family still holds the upper hand in terms of integration. The ability to connect with external apps, tools, and real-time web data gives it a level of versatility that Gemini hasn't reached yet. Additionally, OpenAI's ecosystem is more established with a stronger user base and developer support. But here's the kicker. Despite these limitations, Gemini 2.0's overall performance has been ranked as the top LLM by LM Arena, an independent third-party analysis platform. This is a significant achievement and a clear indication that Google's model is a serious contender. Even with all its groundbreaking features, Gemini 2.0 flash thinking isn't perfect. Let's talk about the gaps that could slow down its adoption, especially when compared to OpenAI's models. First, the lack of grounding with Google Search or integration with other Google apps like Workspace is a significant limitation. While OpenAI's models, particularly the o1 family, allow for real-time web search and app integrations, Gemini is currently isolated within its ecosystem. This means that users looking for a comprehensive AI tool capable of live updates or external data sourcing might find Gemini less appealing. Second, the licensing and cost structure remain unclear. As of now, Gemini shows a zero cost per token rate in Google AI Studio, but how long will this last? OpenAI has clear pricing models, making it easier for businesses and developers to budget and scale. Without transparency in costs, potential users might hesitate to fully adopt Gemini. These gaps matter because they directly affect usability and trust. Without integration or grounding, Gemini risks being outpaced by competitors that offer more versatile solutions. Additionally, unclear licensing could deter large-scale adoption by companies that need predictable costs and reliable terms. That said, it's important to note that Gemini 2.0 is still in its early stages. Google's track record of rapid innovation suggests that these gaps might close quickly, but for now, they remain significant hurdles. The release of Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking is more than just a new product. It's a bold statement from Google. Let's break down why this launch could be a pivotal moment in the AI world. Google's strategy with Gemini 2.0 appears to be part of an aggressive effort to regain leadership in AI. The company has been in the shadows recently, with OpenAI dominating headlines thanks to ChatGPT and its advanced o1 models. By releasing Gemini 2.0 and following up almost immediately with the enhanced Flash Thinking version, Google is signaling that it's ready to compete at the highest level. This launch has also set a new precedent for AI development. Transparency has long been a concern in the industry, with users and critics alike questioning how AI models make decisions. Gemini 2.0 addresses this head-on with its step-by-step reasoning feature, potentially raising the standard of what users expect from AI systems. For OpenAI, this is a wake-up call. While OpenAI has enjoyed a dominant position, Gemini's superior multimodal capabilities and transparency could force OpenAI to innovate faster. The competition is likely to benefit end users, as both companies push boundaries to stay ahead. But the impact goes beyond these two companies. For businesses, developers, and even everyday users, this launch represents a growing trend toward more powerful, transparent, and versatile AI tools. Gemini's ability to integrate text and image data, along with its reasoning transparency, could influence how other players in the industry approach their own models. So, what's on the horizon for Gemini 2.0? If we know anything about Google, it's that the company rarely rests on its laurels. Here's what we might see next. One of the most anticipated updates is integration with Google Search and Workspace. Imagine Gemini combining its multimodal reasoning with Google's vast search capabilities, or seamlessly integrating into apps like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. This would not only close the gap with OpenAI, but also create a uniquely powerful ecosystem. There's also the question of pricing models. Right now, the zero cost per token rate is attractive, but it's likely a temporary strategy to attract users. As Google refines Gemini, we might see tiered pricing options similar to OpenAI's, potentially making the model more accessible to a wide range of users. From a market perspective, the demand for multimodal and transparent AI is only growing. Gemini's ability to process diverse data types while offering step-by-step reasoning could give Google a competitive edge if it addresses the current limitations. The AI landscape is evolving quickly, and Gemini is positioned to play a central role in shaping its future. To recap, Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking isn't just another AI model. It's a major leap forward in multimodal reasoning, transparency, and scalability. With its ability to process both text and images, its step-by-step reasoning feature, and its impressive performance in early tests, Gemini has positioned itself as a serious competitor to OpenAI's O1 family. But the big question remains, can it dethrone OpenAI? That depends on how quickly Google addresses its current limitations and whether it can deliver the integrations and features users expect. What do you think? Does Gemini 2.0 have what it takes to shake up the AI world, or is OpenAI still the reigning champion? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.